f dash x equals to x plus b, f1 equals to 5, f2 equals to 13. We have to find out fx. We know that if d upon dx of which one, fx equals to what, f dash x, implies that integral of f dash x gives us what, fx. Now using this property here, okay, f dash x equals to x plus b, that means integral of, since f dash x equals to what, x plus b, that means integral of f dash x should be fx. So integral of f dash x equals to what, fx. Now f dash x is given x plus b. Integral of f dash x is x plus b. X plus b, its integral, equals to what, fx. Different integration of x, what, x square upon 2 plus integration of b, bx plus, here is integral constant, which one, c, equals to fx. Fx implies that fx equals to what, x square upon 2 plus bx plus c, where c is the integral constant, okay. Given that f1, since f1 equals to 5, then we have to put 1 in place of x here, okay, in place of x, 1. Therefore 1 square upon 2 plus b into 1 plus c equals to 5. 1 square means 1 upon 2 plus b1 ja b plus c equals to 5. Therefore b plus c equals to 5 minus half. B plus c equals to 5 to the 10. 10 minus 1, 9. That is 9 upon 2. Equation number first. Now, since f dash 2 equals to given 13, put the value of x 2 in this one, okay. fx equals to x square upon 2 plus bx plus c. x की value 2 put करो, that is 2 square upon 2 plus b into 2 plus c equals to what, 13. Four upon what, 2 plus 2b plus c equals to 13. 2 plus what, 2b plus c equals to 13. That means 2b plus c equals to 13 minus 2. 2b plus c equals to 11. Equation number second. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2, okay. Equation by 2 minus equation first. Equation first by, okay, what, 2b plus c equals to 11 and b plus c equals to 9 and half. Subtract, minus minus minus, 2b minus b, b, c cancel out, 11 minus what, 9 upon 2, 22 minus 9 upon 2. Now the value of which one, value of v, 22 minus 9, 13, 13 upon 2. Since b plus c equals to what, 9 upon 2, therefore 13 upon 2, the value of v, 13 upon 2 plus c equals to what? 9 upon 2. Implies that c equals to 9 upon 2 minus 13 upon 2. 2, 9 minus 13. Okay. C equals to what? Minus 4 upon 2, the value of c, minus 2, the value of c, minus 2, and value of v, what? 13 upon 2. Now putting the values of v and c in this equation, okay, fx equals to x square upon 2 plus bx plus c. Putting the values of v and c in this equation, therefore fx equals to what? X square upon 2 plus, in place of b, what? 13 upon 2, 13 upon 2 into x plus, in place of c, in place of c, what? Minus 2. Then fx equals to x square upon 2 plus 13 upon 2 x minus 2. Here is our answer. The value of fx, x square upon 2 plus 13 upon 2 x minus 2. If f dash equals to x plus b, f1 equals to 5, f2 equals to 13, then the value of fx equals to x square upon 2 plus 13 upon 2 x minus 2. That's it.